You're not running Facebook ads because you love ads. You're doing it because you want one thing: clients, calls booked, contracts signed, credit cards pulled. But here's the brutal truth most ad tutorials won't say out loud. You can spend hundreds, thousands, and still end up with nothing. No leads, no replies, just silence. And the worst part? You followed the rules, set the budget, chose your audience, wrote the copy, and somehow still missed the mark. But what if I told you the problem isn't your budget, it's the system? And in this video, I'm going to show you a different one. The same framework we've used to help service businesses across hundreds of industries consistently attract, convert, and retain paying clients using Facebook ads, including our own, even if you've never run a single campaign before. So let's get into it. Here's the trap most service businesses fall into. They try to market a complicated service using a complicated ad filled with jargon and buzzwords. And the result? Confused leads who don't click. Or worse, they do click, but they never convert. Because not only do they not understand what you do, they don't understand why they should care. They don't understand how it helps them. And they definitely don't trust you yet. And more than likely, they'll scroll on before they allow themselves to get overwhelmed. Most service businesses are drowning in complexity, but the ones who scale, they simplify. I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. We've been recognized on the Inc. 5000 list by CNBC and thousands of small business clients as one of the top digital marketing agencies for a reason. We help service businesses grow using clean, simple, proven ad frameworks that drive results, not just reach. And today we're giving you the exact system that works for beginners. Now, if you'd rather us handle all of your marketing needs for you so that you can focus on running your business while we scale it, fill out our contact form to get a free custom quote and proposal. Otherwise, for everybody else, whether you're a local business, a coach, a medical provider, a fitness trainer, a consultant, or anything in between, if you're a service business and if you get clients, this video is for you. So step one, make your service easy to understand. If your Facebook ad can't explain what you do clearly, quickly, and confidently, nothing else matters, because confused leads don't convert. You know what the problem is? You know your service inside and out, but your leads don't. They don't speak your jargon, they don't know your systems, and they don't care about your processes. They just want to know, can you solve my problem? So here's your first assignment. Write down one sentence that explains what you do without using any industry terms. Would a 7th grader understand it? Would a distracted scroller on Facebook understand it in 3 seconds or less? If not, you're probably losing leads. For example, we don't say, we provide turnkey lead gen ecosystems for service businesses leveraging cross-platform integration and conversion path analysis, because what even is that? We say, we help small businesses get more leads from Facebook and Instagram. Same thing, but one of them sells. And if you can't say your service clearly, then you better show it in a clear, short video clip. Which brings us to step 2. Use video to demonstrate value fast. Here's something no one tells service businesses. People trust what they can see, not stock photos, not long text blocks, not brand claims, real visuals. Show your team in action. Show the transformation you create. Show a day in the life of your client before and after using your service. Because when you do, you stop selling and start showing. And that shift builds trust fast, especially in reels, stories, or short form Facebook ads. Even a 15-second clip can be more powerful than a whole landing page. Step 3, make your service relatable. Here's where it gets emotional. People don't buy services, they buy themselves after the service. So your ad shouldn't show just what you offer. It should show someone who looks like the viewer using it and winning. That's social proof in action. If you work with multiple types of clients, make sure each one of them sees themselves in your ads. Chiropractor ads showing only athletes, you lose the moms. A home cleaning ad that only shows luxury homes, you lose the everyday families. So show range, show diversity. Show people in the same struggle your ideal client is facing right now, and then show how you solve it. But there's one piece that you cannot forget. If you do everything right but miss this next step, your entire ad falls apart. So step 4, sell the end result, not the service. Here's the mindset shift. Stop talking about what you do and start talking about what your client gets. Don't sell teeth whitening, sell confidence on date night. Don't sell business coaching, sell clarity, control, and doubled revenue. Don't sell lawn care, sell neighbors saying, How do you keep it looking that good? The more you anchor your offer in status or feeling, the faster people respond. Because again, people don't buy features, they buy outcomes. Now that you're thinking about your service the right way, that brings us to step 5, structure your Facebook ad the right way. Here's how we structure every high converting ad for service businesses. Number 1, the hook. Call out a pain point, frustration, or benefit immediately. Let's look at some examples a dentist might use. Still hiding your smile in photos? Here's how 37 patients in your city finally fixed their smile without expensive surgery. Tired of paying for cleanings and getting no follow-up care? Your goal here is to interrupt the scroll and tap into a real feeling. Then you want to deliver the next part, the value. Now explain what you do in one sentence and build on it with a clear transformation. Use the formula problem, frustration, your unique mechanism, outcome. Continuing with our dentist example, most adults avoid going to the dentist because they're scared, embarrassed, or think it'll cost too much. We offer judgment-free cleanings, flexible payment plans, and smile consultations that help you feel proud of your smile again. You're not selling a procedure, you're selling relief, confidence, and control. Then you hit them with the CTA. No fluff. Tell them exactly what you want them to do. Tap below to book a free smile consult. Click to claim your $99 new patient offer. Book a zero pressure cleaning today. No insurance required. The clearer and lower friction your CTA is, the better your conversions will be. Now, since you're still here, I'm going to share one more thing you need to know. And that's step 6, the new mechanism you can use. Stop using the same ad structure every other competitor in your market is using and start using the COA framework, customer-oriented ads. If you're a real estate agent, for example, instead of top-rated real estate team in this city, over 15 years helping families buy and sell homes. We use the latest tools to help you close faster. Try these instead. You'll stop wasting weekends on open houses that don't match your budget. You'll finally have a local expert who listens, not pushes. You'll get the keys to your dream home without overpaying or overthinking. You're not just selling square footage or quick closings. You're selling peace of mind. And when you make the ad about them and not you, that's when they respond. This is the strategy marketing gurus don't talk about, but secretly use. Flip every line of your copy from we to you. It doesn't just read different, it performs differently.